Excuse me, where are you from?
No.
Where are you from?
In the Philippines.
Okay, I have taken idea that you are a Philippine. Just what are you doing right now? What are you doing? Already followed.
What?
What are you? Have you taken lunch? Have you finished lunch?
Answering my
Are you reading books? Are you reading books?
Yes.
Actually,
Yes.
what class do you read in? What class? University or college student? University.
Development for
Oh, okay. Just please wait.
I do you have a agency?
I am from Bangladesh. Basically, I am a private teacher. I teach my students.
Okay.
Okay, nice to meet you. Just please wait. Philippines. Just to look at your country, Philippines. Philippines.
Yes.
How can I divide? How can I divide the word Philippines? Philippines.
Philippines.
Philly and pins. Philippines. Okay?
Yes.
Just we can divide it the word. We can divide it the word into three parts. How many parts? Three parts. We can divide it the word three parts. Just one part is called what? What is the name of grammar? Syllable. What? Syllable.
I don't know.
Actually, please wait. Syllable. Just please look at. Syllable.
Again?
Syllable. Okay.
Yes.
Please wait. Syllable. Just we can divide it the word into three parts. How many parts? Three parts. Syllable. The word syllable we can divide into three parts. How many parts? Three parts. Just one part is named or called syllable. Okay, have you understood? Basically, I am a private teacher. Just I have tested you right now. I have tested you. Don't mind.